What is happening out there, Pump Talk Nation? Get ready, because the news cycle is absolutely exploding today, and we've got the inside scoop you need to know. We're talking major moves, unexpected twists, and some truly jaw-dropping moments that are setting the world on fire. From intense strategic plays that have everyone talking to groundbreaking developments that could change everything, you are not going to want to miss a second of this. The pace is relentless, the stakes are sky high, and we're here to break it all down for you, Liv. Strap in, because this is the update you've been waiting for. We've got a deep dive into a game-changing tribal council that's being hailed as one of the greatest ever, a crucial legal decision that's sending shockwaves, and a young survivor's incredible story of resilience that will leave you speechless. Plus, we're tracking a developing situation with a surprising twist that has everyone looking for answers. It's all happening right now, and you're getting it first, right here on Pump Talk News. The first story we're diving into is an absolute masterclass in strategic chaos, a tribal council so wild it's already making history. We'll unpack every twist, every turn, and every single gut-wrenching decision that led to an unforgettable night of gameplay. Get ready for the raw, unedited truth behind the moves that have everyone buzzing. Next up, we're shifting gears to a significant legal development that's making waves. We'll explore a powerful statement from the Delhi High Court that addresses a critical issue, delivering a message that resonates far beyond the courtroom. This is a story about justice, accountability, and the important distinctions being drawn in the legal landscape. And finally, we have two incredible stories of survival and resilience. First, a young hero recounts his harrowing experience in the aftermath of a shooting, revealing a shocking detail found after he thought he was safe. Then, we're looking at a compelling narrative from the world of reality television, where a pivotal moment had the host himself wanting a different outcome. It's all here, and you need to stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. A tribal council for the ages. This episode of Australian Survivor is already being cemented in television history, delivering a tribal council so packed with drama, strategy, and sheer unpredictability that it's being hailed as potentially the best ever. The stakes were astronomically high as players navigated blindside attempts, revealed idols, unplayed advantages, and even a surprise immunity challenge that threw everyone's meticulously laid plans into disarray. The night was a whirlwind of shifting alliances and desperate plays, culminating in a double elimination that saw the power dynamics of the game dramatically reshaped. Host Jonathan LaPaglia found himself in a position few could anticipate, with the unfolding events forcing him to discard prepared questions and adapt on the fly to the escalating chaos. One particularly tense moment involved a contestant's attempt to quit the game, a move that prompted a unique intervention from LaPaglia regarding the show's rules, a decision that sparked debate about producer influence and game integrity. This tribal council wasn't just a vote. It was a masterclass in survival storytelling, showcasing the unpredictable nature of the game and the lengths players will go to secure their spot. The fallout from this epic tribal council is sure to reverberate throughout the season, leaving viewers on the edge of their seats. But what happens when a contestant's strategic gambit leads to an unexpected personal revelation? Stay tuned as we delve into the next gripping story. A host's dilemma, a game's evolution. This installment of Australian Survivor is already etching its name into the annals of reality television history, primarily due to a tribal council that has been described by many as a contender for the greatest of all time. The episode was an unprecedented display of strategic maneuvering and dramatic twists, featuring a blundered blindside targeting a well-known international player, multiple chaotic scrambles for power, the dramatic reveal of two immunity idols, an unplayed advantage, a surprise second immunity challenge, and even an international contestant's attempt to quit the game. The entire ordeal culminated in two players being sent to the jury, signaling a significant shift in the game's power balance as the Australian contestants asserted their dominance. What was slated to be a standard elimination vote transformed into a nearly hour-long spectacle of high-stakes gameplay. Host Jonathan LaPaglia, known for his ability to adapt, found himself navigating an unprecedented level of on-the-spot decision-making, admitting that the pre-planned questions were largely abandoned as the game veered into unscripted territory. A pivotal moment occurred when LaPaglia intervened in an international player's attempt to quit, a move designed to save an ally. The host's assertion that the rules would dictate an additional vote if the player quit, even if it contradicted past seasons' precedents or the perceived intent of a player wanting to leave, highlighted the producer's ultimate control over the game's narrative. Executive producer David Forster later explained that such rule interpretations are made to maintain the show's thrilling nature and prevent a precedent of quitting to influence outcomes, emphasizing that producers have the right to alter rules as needed. This approach, while ensuring a compelling viewing experience, also underscores the fluid and producer-driven nature of reality competition, sparking discussions among fans about fairness and consistency. Despite potential creative differences with LaPaglia, who often favored a more hands-off approach, the decisions made were aimed at preserving the show's integrity and entertainment value, even if it meant challenging established norms or player expectations. But what happens when a legal ruling delivers a powerful message about accountability? We'll explore that next. Justice and clarity in the courtroom. The Delhi High Court has issued a significant ruling, addressing the sensitive issue of sexual assault by firmly placing the stigma on the perpetrator, not the survivor. This landmark decision came as the court was handling a case involving a rape accused, and in its pronouncement, it not only chided the accused, but also imposed a substantial fine, underscoring the gravity of the offense and the legal system's stance. The court's remarks highlighted a critical societal concern: the tendency to shift blame or scrutiny onto the victim rather than focusing on the actions of the individual who committed the crime. By imposing a fine, the court sent a clear message that such behavior carries tangible consequences, reinforcing the principle that the responsibility for sexual assault lies solely with the perpetrator. This ruling is expected to have a ripple effect, encouraging a more victim-centric approach within the legal process and potentially influencing public perception and discourse surrounding sexual offenses. It's a moment where legal clarity meets social responsibility, aiming to protect survivors and ensure that those accused are held to account in a manner that reflects the seriousness of the alleged actions. The court's intervention serves as a powerful reminder of the legal framework's role in combating harmful societal attitudes and reinforcing the rights and dignity of individuals who have experienced trauma. But can a simple discovery after a harrowing event reveal a deeper truth? We investigate next. A young survivor's hidden battle. In the aftermath of a tragic shooting incident, a 10-year-old survivor has revealed a hidden and potentially life-threatening detail discovered only after he believed he had escaped physical harm. While recounting the terrifying moments of the event, where he hid under a pew and credited a friend with saving his life by shielding him, the young boy initially reported no injuries. However, medical examinations later uncovered a bullet fragment lodged in his neck, dangerously close to a vital artery. Doctors indicated that had the fragment been even slightly deeper, the outcome could have been fatal, describing the near miss as a miracle. The discovery highlights the insidious nature of such violence, where the immediate aftermath can conceal ongoing dangers. Investigators reportedly found numerous bullet fragments at the scene, underscoring the intensity of the attack. The incident tragically resulted in fatalities and numerous injuries, predominantly among children, painting a grim picture of the event's impact. This young survivor's story is a powerful testament to resilience and the often unseen consequences of gun violence, bringing to light the critical importance of thorough medical assessment even when immediate injuries are not apparent. His bravery in recounting the event, coupled with the medical discovery, serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable and devastating reach of such attacks and the critical role of timely medical intervention. Now, let's recap the day's most impactful stories and get you ready for what's next. What a day of incredible stories. We saw a historic survivor tribal council that rewrote the record books, a pivotal legal ruling from the Delhi High Court emphasizing accountability, and a young survivor's harrowing account of a bullet fragment found after a shooting. Plus, We learned how a host's desire for a different outcome highlighted the producer-driven nature of reality TV. Don't miss a moment of the action. Hit that like button, subscribe to Pump Talk News, ring the notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more.